Hey, how's it going, guys? Hope your quarantine's going well. Thanks for tuning in to Gear and Guitars with Mel. I am Mel. Just gonna do a quick little unboxing, a couple things I got. I got a box from Sweetwater. I'm not positive what it is. And I got a guitar to unbox that I am positive what it is. How it is, we don't know yet. But stick around for a second. We'll get into it. This is gonna be a bit of trial and error here. So what this is something I saw on eBay, you know, as you do in the middle of the night while you're quarantined. And I saw it and I'm like, you know me, I like a good budget guitar, but I'm like, there's no way that this is possible quality. So I guess the brand was King, but I don't know, it's from some distributor somewhere. Oh, it comes with a gig bag? I wasn't aware of that. And the reason I snatched this up is because I realized that I do not have a P90 guitar. So I figured, let's give one a shot, right? Hold on while we get this stuff up off of here. What do we got? We got a lead. This is a strap for the bag. Gotcha, strap for the big bag. All right. Oh. Almost dropped the camera, but I got it. So, what do we have here? Wow, that is a big, bright headstock saying King, I tell you what. All right. Pardon me while I rip this down 1 second. All right, that's crazy. So, this is what we got here. This is a guitar. All right, well, I want it. Single P90, adjustable wrap over bridge. Nice little stunning, bright, sparkly gold top. I'm a fan of that. Let's see what the back looks like. Look at that. Oh, those are gonna have to go. It's not a veneer. That seems to be a two-piece mahogany back that dances a little bit. Got a little heel joint there. Other than that, no scarf up here. So, I saw this on eBay, and I was like, let me check this out. You know, let me see what the deal is here. I haven't had a P90 guitar. So what I'll do is I'll stop real quick. You know me, I'm gonna have to give it a setup and all that stuff because, yeah, it's gonna need a little bit of love. But I'm gonna tune it up and just give a listen to the pickup with these terrible strings. But yeah, video to come.